What's up, everyone? On this video, we have a fun little package from the Golden State, California. All right, Mike's gonna open this up and we're gonna see all the goodies and who it's from. Oh my gosh, it's from Golden State Autos. They have some amazing detail spray and a lot of extra goodies. This is all for your car, motorcycle, bikes, everything. Oh, I like these stickers. Super nice. So shout out to Golden State Autos. They have some amazing products. I know they're really hustling out here right now. They're trying to make it big, give you quality products. What is this one? Oh, detail spray. Cool. Really nice. The quickie. Whoa. I like the little sticker. That's cool.
All right. So we got a lot of products from them.
Wow.
Okay, we have a degreaser right here. We have a grape ape. We have a nutty berry UV dressing.
Oh.
I like the colors of them.
Yeah,
pretty
like
funky.
It's definitely vibrant. Ooh, cute little
What's
one.
this about? Boost ceramic spray.
Ooh.
Nice.
There's more? Oh my god.
Oh, we got some awesome air fresheners.
Oh, I love air fresheners. That's sick.
That's really cool. Love these. Oh my goodness, never ending.
Ooh, cute little one. Last drop spray wax. Ooh, we're gonna use every last drop of that one.
Last but not least, I
Like
think.
those sprayers.
Yep. Big Daddy Tire Shine.
Whoa, that's what they call me.
Love it.
Shout out to Golden State Autos. We cannot wait to do some videos on these products. And also you could use the promo code that we'll write down below, and you can get some pretty awesome savings. They also always run some deals. So I can't wait to show you all what we're going to be using these products for. A special shout out to Golden State Autos. They hooked us up with a whole array of products that we can't wait to use on our 240 that we're building. I love these air fresheners and the stickers, and I can't wait to show you all videos and photos of all these products in use.